The Nike Kobe 5 Lower Merion Aces Protro 2026 is officially making its return, reviving one of the most iconic colorways ever tied to Kobe Bryant's roots. Inspired by his Lower Merion High School team, the shoe brings back the legendary burgundy tones that represent Kobe's early basketball journey. First released in 2010 as a super limited drop at House of Hoops, the pair quickly became a holy grail for collectors after the concept store dissolved. For 2026, Nike refreshes the silhouette through the Protro upgrade, adding modern performance tech and updated details like the embroidered 33 heel badge, Kobe's high school jersey number. Behind the tongue is a new label blending the release year and the Kobe sheath logo for an authentic touch. One of the biggest highlights is the first ever grade school sizing, giving younger fans a chance to own this classic. With official images now circulating, excitement is building fast for one of 2026's most anticipated Kobe releases.